Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm an author of many books on how to draw cartoons, and today I'd like to show you how to use a sloping line to make a character look young. And that's actually the most important part of a young character, is that sloping line. So I'm going to start this way. Someone asked me to draw a deer, and I'm going to draw a deer. So here is the basic part of the head, the circle, and here is a small snout because in a young character, the snout doesn't have time to have grown very far. So we're going to do this as a nice slope right here. Cute little slope. And a little nose. Now we're going to draw a big eye. So he's going to have a little head and a big eye, which actually increases the effect of the eye. So the contrast. So let me do that again. Okay. And we could give him just a little expression here, just a little bit of a lower lip, like, huh? Like that. All right, so the ears on deers, I did not mean to make that rhyme. You have to trust me on this. They're big. And the antlers are not well formed yet, so we'll give just a little, and a kind of chubby little cheek area. Like that. Well, I'm actually going to even make that neck a little thinner. So you see these balanced things. It's a big head, it's a big eye, it's a narrow snout, narrow neck, but big ears. So you really have to choose, but it's important to vary the look of the character. So add a kind of eyelash here, maybe an eyelash on the other side. Okay, now I'm going to darken it in so we see what it looks like. Very careful with the eyes. All right, so that's the basic shape. The shape of the pupil doesn't change too much. It's basically the outer shape of the eye. Okay, and here's a couple of eyelashes on the other side. Now here is that sloping line. So that's going to slope uninterrupted. And there it goes. So it looks like one uninterrupted line. I'll bring this back here. That'll make it a little shorter. And the nose will be short, little, kind of petite. There we go. I'm going to erase this because I made it shorter, and that works for a young character. 1, 2, 3. A few little whiskers, but keep this small. Here's that neck and a cute little cheek area here. Here is that nice arching eyebrow. She's obviously curious about something or concerned. That line is rounded. Same thing here. You can shade this in to make it look like it's a little further away, because it is. And here is the really big ear. We've got deer all over my property here. Beautiful animals. And they're also actually kind of friendly, which is kind of amazing. I thought they'd be skittish, but not always. And maybe a little marking here, like a white spot. And there is your deer character, showing how that sloping line is really what creates the cute look. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. I'm glad you're here. Please subscribe, and I will see you again next time. Bye-bye.